guys, magluluto ulit ako ng vegetable Pakistani menu, zucchini. Tinatawag din itong marrow. Ito yung vegetable na marrow. Iniwa ko na. And other ingredients niya, onion, salang ko na, i-fry yan hanggang sa mag-golden brown. Garlic, ginger, tomato, parsley, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, ground black pepper, chili powder, and salt to taste. Yan lang, gisa-gisa lang yan lahat. Di rin pala mawawala ang main ingredients nila, ang cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom. Nagisa ko na dyan yung sibuyas, bawang, luya, at kamatis. Ilalagay ko yung pinaka main ingredients nila, yung cinnamon, yung cardamom, at saka yung cloves. Lagay na rin natin yung zucchini or yung marrow. Mekos-mekos lang. Dadagdag na rin natin yung ibang ingredients. Yung missing. Chili powder, black pepper, and salt to taste. Halo-halo lang. Ito na yung final product ng isang zucchini or marrow in Pakistani style. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless. Ingat lagi.